Hi everybody, Ted and Dan here.
What's going on, everyone?
Dan, today we're not talking about digital marketing, although we do that. Today we're talking about our websites that we've created for customers and some of the things that we can do for you.
Mm-hmm.
So today we're going to talk about AC distribution. If you want to bring that one up here, we can
cool.
tell everybody about it.
Yeah. So here we are, AC. Great looking website here. This site has something special to it.
I think so.
So it might appear to be a normal website.
Sure.
But we did something very, very special on this site. And what we did was we basically organized their different resins and products that they have. They probably have, I don't know, like hundreds and hundreds of different products that could be mixed together, creating thousands of combinations.
Sure.
So we were trying to figure out, how do we take a company that has an inventory of thousands of variations of products that can be blended together to make other products and marry that to buyer personas.
Right.
So what we ended up doing was we figured it out, and it's actually very cool. So like, for example, if I go to like through a scientist, which would be a buyer, and then I come down through here, a buyer might be interested in adding value added products or reducing cost and efficiency, or incorporating recycled content as an example. So like, let's just pretend that the buyer, the scientist, wants to reduce cost and increase efficiency. Well, then we bring them through here and we give them a couple different options here on what products could be pre-sorted to do that. This system here has already pre-sorted these products that are made to reduce cost and increase efficiency.
Sure.
How we did it was we basically created this filter system on the side. It's actually very cool, because the client was, what we were trying to figure out is, how do we get the client, our client that knows everything about this their products, and tell us as a marketing firm how to come up with the stories to connect with the products. So what they can do is they can come in here, and if you notice, as I select these filters, everything starts to shrink. Mm-hmm. Because we are reducing what is left. So they can come in here and say, okay, we're gonna work on a new buyer, and this buyer would use these 4 products, right? Mm-hmm. And they hit apply search here,
and it really drills down to what
drills
that buyer's
down. There's only
need.
2 products that do that, but we generate the special hyperlink up here. And if I go and copy this hyperlink, if I go out to a new window and paste it, hit enter, goes directly to that filter, remembers that filter. So now what we can do is they can give us hyperlinks and say, we got a new buyer, we've already prefabbed the hyperlink for you, build a marketing page around this, build a landing page around this. So we found a quick, easy way for them to be able to build stories inside their site based on the filtering system.
Sure.
And we should show them the back end too. Go ahead, you talk.
The important thing to remember here is, this went through the whole process that we always do for our websites. We went through discovery, we identified the buyer personas, the customer journey, and site mapping. There was wireframing. So we can do simple sites that are marketing and message related, and we can do sites that are a little more complex. This is a manufacturer who happens to distribute additives for plastics. Mm-hmm. So highly complex processes, we're able to simplify those down and understand your business, and then create a solution for your buyers. And that's what we did here.
Right. So if we look on the back end here, application-based resins, benefits, products, categories. If I come over here, application-based resins, benefits, products, and categories. So the client was freaking out. They're like, I don't know how we're going to give you all these hundreds of thousands of combinations of doing this. So we came up with a system where they can basically simply just load in all their applications. They can load in all their base resins. This is what they did here, and so on. And then what we did was we basically went over to the product section and we said, we'll put a filter system in here where you can select on this product, this is the GT300, that under applications, it goes into automotive, blow molding, blah, 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 right? And then under base resins, do you see how this works? So roughly, we built a matrix that allows them to rapidly add a product in, apply it to the matrix, and then that outputs. It's that simple. Like literally, this client was going to come up with spreadsheets. I'm not joking, you guys.
Right.
Thousands of combinations to give to us on how to find the products. We came up with a very simple, graceful way of doing this where they can manage these products. They can do it right inside the site and just really have a really nice time with it. And I guess while I'm in the editor, in case you haven't seen some of our other videos, if they wanted to, they can basically come into the editor here and edit right on these pages. So if they want to come in and delete this paragraph, they can. If they want to add more to that word, they can. They can basically edit right in line as well. So very easy for them to manage. Even the products themselves, you guys kind of got a little sneak peek of that. Plenty of options in there. There's so much robust tools built into this platform. This is called Rocket Sites. But deep down inside here, they can look at their products. They can actually search their products as well. So if I type in like GT, if I type GT, like that, it'll pull up all the products that start with GT super fast. I'm online, by the way. This is just to give you an idea of speed. It's very quick. You can see how quick I loaded the product area here. I would almost say it's faster than desktop, the way that this platform works. Very enjoyable platform to work with. Even your website, it's going to fly. We've made it so that your website pages will load in about 800 milliseconds or less. Wow. Even on product, I'll go over here and show you guys real quick. And sorry, but this is kind of important, especially if you're looking at e-commerce, which is what this is here. But pagination, we've got all these products, right? And then you can see here, I'll just paginate through this. I mean, I could paginate as quick as I can click here, and it's paginating through those products super fast. Lots of crazy stuff going on behind the scenes to make that very fast for you. Your websites don't live on one server, they live on many servers. That's part of how we're doing it. Content distribution networks, a lot of geeky stuff you might not really want to know about, but roughly we're doing all the things the way that a very robust platform would do it, and we're doing it just for your website. So
yeah.
Not
only can we build out, a website that looks good, but we actually build out tools that can help you run your business.
Exactly. Yeah. So this website here, and you'll notice as you watch our videos, some of our websites are simple informational videos. I'd say this one's kind of right in the middle. And then we get into full-blown SaaS platforms where we're managing thousands of members and so on and so forth. So we kind of go across the spectrum there, from simple, easy sites to fairly complicated websites, and we love building them out. They're a lot of fun. If you guys want more information on this, or you want us to help you out with your next project, at least we're fully capable of helping you out, and we'd be glad to do so. Thank you.
Thanks.